What is your large vision concerning herbal medicine?
Yeah, um, herbal medicine, I have very big, large vision for herbal medicine. One, my vision is to build a research institute where we can be able to analyze all the herbs, flowers, leaves, to be able to understand the components and the usefulness to our bodies. So, as we speak now, I'm building a place where we have a section for herbal research and production, and also have a natural hospital where we can be using those natural remedies for the healing of humans. Yes, because I believe in every sickness has solution. Ihe ọbụla ndị na-aya, onye ọbụla ndị Igbo na-aya, onye ọbụla ndị Afrịka na-aya nwere solution n'ala Afrịka. Ihe a ga-eji gwọ ndị anwa ma ọ bụ takụlụ ọya anwa dị n'ala Afrịka. Mana ọ dịka m na-esi ekwube na ihe ịmara ọkarịrị gị. So we are doing more research despite the fact that na enwere ọtụtụ n'ime ha nna anyị ha jigoro wee rụọ ọrụ. But we are still making more research, knowing fully well na enwere ọtụtụ ọya ndị na-apụtawanye n'iru. Yes, so for that, as long as a na-enwe new discovery of sickness, a ga na-enwekwa new discovery of herbal medicine to tackle such illness whenever they arise. So my vision is actually to be able to be producing it in large quantity so that we'll be able to even export it to many places. As we speak, we have a detoxification tea, or call it green tea. Yes, we have been producing it for a very long time. It's for those that knows the value, that constantly order for them. Yes, the truth of the matter is that we need to do more in order to be able to be producing them in large numbers, and so that, and also for us to have large land where we can plant some of these things we need, so that it will help us to be able to produce them in large numbers. Thank you.